Hey everyone, this is Noah Diffenbaugh at Stanford University, and I'm very excited to host this Hangout on Air. We're going to be talking today about climate change and extreme weather.
Yeah, I had a question actually. I just wanted to know, in terms of the predictive models, what do the predictive models state?
My question comes down to the idea that if there are predictive extreme weather conditions, one takes preventative measures.
One way to think about it is like the tree falling in the woods. Right? So if a tree falls in the woods and no one's there to hear it, does it make a sound? If a tornado happens in the Great Plains over the prairie and nothing's there to get hit by it, is that a disaster? And actually, these kinds of fluxes are the kinds of things that the Waterloo group is thinking about. I don't know, do you guys have anything to say about that in terms of the surface-atmosphere interactions?
I think, Bill, you raised a really good point on the scale question.
What are they talking about when they say requires transformation or fundamental change?
Well, that's a great question.
But I also heard that it was associated with the Earth's orbit around the Sun, and how over so many, 10, 1500 years or whatever, that usually there's an orbit that allows those things to occur anyway.
Well, so the sun is really important for climate.
I just had a follow-up question on the solar activity, because you mentioned the 11-year cycles.
And the people that study those tree rings have studied the wood densities in Stradivarius violins, and have actually put forward the hypothesis that part of what contributed to the Stradivarius violins sounding as good as they do was the Little Ice Age, that these tree ring, the density of the wood from the cold temperatures created this really fantastic wood for making violins. Is that helpful, Maestro?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was getting at. So it seems that you've answered that question exactly.
Well, I want to thank everyone for joining us, and I'm going to keep doing these. I've really enjoyed this one, and I'm really excited about the possibilities. So if you have questions that you want to ask, if there are topics that you want to see for future Hangouts on Air, you want to join future Hangouts on Air, just post a comment, plus mention me, and we'll try to get it worked out.